Imagine waiting 75 years for something to become popular. Now, whatever happened in just 2 months? Technology is evolving at an astonishing rate. Let's look at how long it took various inventions to reach 100 million users. The telephone, a staggering 75 years. Mobile phones took 16 years. The World Wide Web arrived in just 7 years, while iTunes made waves in 6.5 years. Twitter gained traction in 5 years. Facebook connected the world in 4.5 years, and WhatsApp made communication instant in just 3.5 years. Instagram revolutionized visual storytelling in 2.5 years. The Apple App Store brought apps to everyone in only 2 years. But then came ChatGPT, a true game changer, hitting 100 million users in just 2 months. From 75 years to 2 months, how fast will future tech evolve? What if the next big innovation reaches 100 million users in mere days? Which tech surprise you most? Let's discuss